Welcome to Strategic Management course. In this video, we will discuss behavioral implementation. What is meant by behavioral implementation? Behavioral implementation has to do with the human side of the enterprise, and it is essentially about changing people's attitudes, feelings, and above all else, their behavior. The behavioral of the employees affect the success of the organization. In fact, strategic implementation requires support, discipline, motivation, and hard work from all managers and employees. Hence, behavioral implementation is considered to be important, and there are certain issues involved in behavioral implementation. The issues are leadership, corporate culture, corporate policies and use of power, personal values and ethics, and social responsibilities. These issues have effect on behavioral implementation. What do you mean by leadership? Leaders are those who help others to do the right thing. They set direction, build an inspiring vision, and create something. Hence, if you have got good leaders, then we say the leadership is good enough for the organization. Corporate culture. Corporate culture refers to the shared values, attitudes, standards, and beliefs that characterize members of an organization and define its nature. Corporate culture is rooted in an organization's goals, strategies, structure, and approaches to labor, customers, investors, and the greater community. As such, it is an essential component in any business' ultimate success or failure. Corporate policies and use of power. The corporate policies are the directives and the guidelines of the company. And power refers to the position of authority and influence over others. Power is a tool that, depending on how it is used, can lead to either positive or negative outcomes in an organization. Personal values and ethics. Personal values are the things that are important to a particular person. The characteristics and the behavior that motivate and guide that particular person in making decisions. Ethics are the moral principles that govern a person's behavior or conducting an activity. Social responsibility, specifically corporate social responsibility. Corporate social responsibility is an ethical framework that suggests that an organization has an obligation to act for the benefit of society at large. It is a duty every organization has to perform so as to maintain a balance between the economy and the ecosystems. So that was all about behavioral implementation. Thank you for listening.